Everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have been wondering how can you clear and delete all of your Instagram's search history at once in one place, then you came to the right video. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that very easy and very clearly. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. Open Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. Simply search for Instagram right here because we need to make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly and to make sure both of us are on the same page for this process, guys. After that, you can quit the store, open Instagram now, make sure you are logged into your account, and then tap here on this search icon in the bottom right there to go to the search category of Instagram. Right here, tap on the search box at the top. And now here you find all of your search history right here. You can delete them one by one by tapping this X button right there. But if you want to delete them all at once in one single operation, basically there is another place to do this. So go ahead and go back from here to the main page of Facebook and tap here in the bottom right corner. Let's just go to your profile, guys. From your profile, tap on the three lines in the top right corner right here. You'll get this menu. Simply tap on your activity right there, guys. So from your activity, once you tap there, you find all of your interactions and basically likes, comments, and even the search history if you scroll down and tap here on recent searches right there. And under this category, guys, you can again delete the search history one by tapping the X button right next to every single search. If you want to delete them all at once, just tap on clear all in the top right corner of the screen right here. And from this window in the middle of the screen, just tap on clear all, and that is basically how can you delete your search history on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them, and of course subscribe for future videos like this one. Thank you very much for watching.